This is the hotline. Father.
Hello?
What happened to you last week?
Man cool, Mrs. I'm still cool.
Your iron low.
Hello?
You have low iron.
Okay, you hear me now?
Yes.
Hello? Yes, Mr. Man cool last week, I'm still cool.
You need some good steak.
Some good what?
Beef.
Beef?
Mm-hmm.
I drink beef soup every week.
You need to start eat the beef.
Beef is my favorite meat.
A little, maybe rare, you need to start eat some.
I peel Lego line and beef shoulder me eat.
Mix some callaloo in there.
Okay, I love callaloo.
A supplement with iron, you need supplement. If cola kill you. What go on?
I hear a little piece of your opening this morning. I don't know when I say I don't know if I get you right. Because the public have an interest in the Silvera case and would want to hear what happened.
Yes.
Well, I don't know. To be honest with you, Ms. Crooks, the public might have, but I don't. I mean, I like the man. I don't like him. Because you know why I don't like him? Because anybody can get in trouble. When the thing broke, the country was told that the lady died in her sleep. And the whole of us tongue our ball and sympathize with them. And only if you know say, in come out, it come out say, I know the lady never did in her sleep, a murder. And I just hope that the judge, in March, the judge walking in the courtroom with a heavy hand. You know, style we like that. You don't style with like that.
So the question.
I don't know how much I can say about it, but
no,
you did not style with like that.
That's fine. So the question then, as I was talking to your favorite member of parliament, how much of what has been reported would even have made its way into evidence? Because reporting is not evidence. Yeah? And this is part of the challenges that judges have, and members of the public too, because sometimes what media says or what media say, it doesn't come out in court like that at all. Did Jolan himself ever say that she died in her sleep? Or did he say that? Or is it reported?
It was reported.
Right. So if he said something, if he was quoted as saying something, then there are techniques that could be used if a trial was to be held. And if he took the stand and was saying something contrary to what he was reported to have said, then there are processes that could cause him to be confronted with the material that was published as him saying that. But the mere fact that the thing is reported, it doesn't mean that that is what the accused man is actually saying, or that it actually go how media report it. Media try to source the best information, but everything we say, we need to be saying allegedly so. We have removed allegedly.
One good thing, because probably when it's been a reason and you go to trial and he could have get away. The only good thing about it is saying guilty. Me say me only hope the judge go in there with a heavy hand. You don't style me like that. The lady gone and you let your own pick them without a mother and a father. And leave the lady without and her family without a daughter, a cousin, or a niece, or a granddaughter, or whatever relation. I don't like the man, and it just annoys me when me hear the news and hear it over. I don't like him, but I'm gonna move to a side now. What I don't, you're not going to like me. I like still, I'm not gonna like it. Everybody said they want to hear, and it is important. But like I went only certain people and from certain side, because the Prime Minister got a court October, we don't hear what happening there. The Prime Minister had a case in the court and in October, and nobody, not in the media, not even one media house, Papa Yael the ark. What happened at the courthouse? Melissa can't blow it away.
I don't even remember what was the date in October about.
So same thing.
Was it to strike out? No, man, there's a whole heap of things going on. And Melissa come after that. What happened?
I must have to do some disclosure, something with this Integrity Commission.
I think I dealt with that actually, where he applied for some. I dealt with it. He applied for some portions of something to be struck out?
Yes. No, but it was struck out, and then he had to, that was earlier in the year. And then he had to go to court, and it's in October.
Yes, and at the appeal.
Some appeal, and not a story here happening there.
No, because the court has reserved. I think the court is considering, and the court hasn't handed down its decision yet.
Oh.
On the appeal, that's why I don't hear it, I think.
Okay, I see. When we're going to look back again, what was that? If the court did, but I'm just saying, me never hear. I mean, not hear nobody they ask. And the day when the court happened, we look on the media, watch news, I mean, not hear not everybody ask, what happened to their court? What happened to their court? We say, I think
that, no, please. I think that's the 15th of October. I have a note somewhere here, and I think that was the appeal. And I don't think we've heard what the decision on appeal is yet.
Oh.
Yeah?
The next thing, Miss Crooks, when I call and I talk about the people in my area, wherever we're in Cambridge, or Portobello, or Retirement, or Granville, now get what you call it? We can't talk on the phone because we're not on service. It is our truth. It is our truth. So whether Melissa did blue or black, I know maybe because Melissa come here. And if we put on credit on our phone at one time and when they pay a bill and we now get service, we're supposed to talk about it. So I don't want to talk to people call and talk about if you know system. That is your business. It is my truth. When we have to be driving and the order Starlink to put on our car, to put in our house, we have to drive and they beg people to get. People have business. My family have a business and we depend on flow and digital. You understand? And we are paying our bills every month. And this has been happening long before Melissa and Beryl. If you have a power cut, you have to leave the community. If you have a Cambridge with them, we have to come out and come and be we're like to get service. So when I call and I talk about it, it is my truth. And I'm not going to stop calling and talking about it. Just like, they might talk about New Year, and they don't want me to talk about the whole bus them, what Mr. Vaz buy. And we don't get the invoices for them. I'll know. Because my friend carrying some American vehicle. Yes, Miss Cook, American vehicle. And I know the price of these American because I have a copy of the invoice in my hand. And when we say something is wrong with those the prices of those buses, this invoice prove me right that something is wrong. And we need an investigation into the purchase of those old Jeepers Creepers school bus. What the them now take.
You sure? You sure that the document you have is an authentic document?
Miss Crooks.
Do you know?
Miss Crooks, I'm not one of your favorite politicians. Customs, clear. The vehicle
you cannot speak to the contents. You are not the maker of the statement in the document, so you can't come swear for it.
Then government, they clear they give people illegal documents to go tax office.
The person produces the invoice.
Yes.
But you have a copy of it, but you don't know if what is produced in that is actually so you cannot swear by it.
The vehicle just license and insure.
Doesn't matter.
With the same document what I have.
Doesn't matter.
With the same document that I have, the same invoices when I have and the documents that I have right now, they look fun. The vehicle licensed and insured 2 hours ago, about an hour and a half ago. You hear me? So something is wrong with the purchase of those old buses, and we need to get to the bottom of it. Election done, a new year, and I'm not gonna stop talking about it. You understand me? Because right is right and wrong is wrong. And only because a labor right now power, why you're not just like how they take up 200 million and give them friends to carry some used car, and you tell me, insult me by telling me that they come every day they repeat the same thing. You understand me? As if this is not taxpayers' money for them, then can take up their money and give them friends. To do the contract and then take the money and yam it off. And take it probably to heart surgery. Whatever them take it and do. And we're not supposed to ask about it. Because we talk about it every day. Something is wrong with the price of those buses and we need to get an invoice. We need to get to the bottom of it. I have documents in my hand here. 2020 at vehicle. They have price, everything, then just insure.
Are you done?
Government government would issue fake papers.
Government didn't issue the papers. The importer.
Kingston war.
The importer provides what the importer provides, and that's what I'm asking.
You go to tax office, and all them got insurance, and the 2 vehicles were insured.
Goodbye.
About an hour and a half ago.
Thank you for the call. Goodbye.
Good.
Let me see. Boy. All right. This is the hotline, 876-926-2178.
Your sister?
Yes.
Hey.
Hey.
Your sister woman discovered me and your Lincoln. Hey.
How
the man come from we are foreign. What that tell when they give me yesterday? The man don't find me after the man na me house here.
Oh.
In a rain, the man come.
I wonder if him, yes, I think him the touch base with me too, and me say, "Better wait for talk to you." What you said to me?
Master Lincoln come the master with package to the give people.
Yes. So you didn't know him before?
Eh?
You did meet him, you never meet him before this?
At the first me meet Lincoln go round a one place to find one man and the man came come straight to me yard.
God have mercy.
How we are sent a mass in they come from. In a rain they fall down your heart, church sister.
Okay. Yes, man, Lincoln called the office.
To Lincoln.
Yes, let me talk to Lincoln.
No, Lincoln, you have to come on the radio. You have to talk to church sister people one day.
Him call. I hear you. I got the messages at the office, you know.
Okay.
Yes, but you wanted a number for Miss Lucy. Me never have any for me.
Okay.
Will you find her?
I found her, man. I have to find her.
Good. Where are you from?
I live in Kentucky. I'm a past student of KT, you know.
Okay.
So I came back. I heard the pleas on the radio.
Yes.
So I decided to do my part.
Oh, nice. So,
yeah.
You brought down stuff there. Why Miss Lucy?
Why Miss Lucy?
Yeah.
I hear she call on the radio and said people are calling her for food. So
okay.
I said I had to get at least 10 packages to her.
Nice. And you get to meet her in person?
I get to meet her in person.
And you see how she big and fat? She don't want no food. Yeah, but he wouldn't know her the first time he must see you. Oh, whoa. Nice. So what you have in the packages there? Just food items, Mr. Truman?
Just food items.
Oh, bless you.
I put together a friend of mine over there in Kentucky who decided to send some stuff. I was here in December, but we just got the container cleared, so I was able to come back and pick those up.
Oh, nice.
Sort them out.
Nice.
Yes, but anyway, I'll put you back on to her.
Thank you so much, and bless you. Yes, yeah. And you're having some seriously cold weathers in Kentucky at the moment, no?
Yes, they have cold weather.
This is nice weather for me.
I know. This is a nice summer's day for you because it's about -8 or so there at the moment.
Yes, a nice weather in Jamaica for me to come in a menopause. One nice weather, but look here, the breeze, the coldness, master. So right now, me well hot. Let me feel go back on the fan and sleep.
Okay.
But they tell us the coldness when do me wonderful. Hey, church sister, I feel good.
And you get the Lincoln packages now.
Hey, I know me turn up. Yeah. No Reverend Clark can't talk to me. So Reverend Clark, me get packages out here.
Very nice.
Yes, sir. Lincoln find me for foreign.
Hey. You see,
listen to me now.
It pays to call the hotline.
Me they tell a man hotline good to me.
Mm-hmm.
So, right up on there, fear so, for good on a Kingsville. At the Baptist church right there, so church sister.
Mm-hmm.
In between the Baptist church and the United church, one breakaway did it, so sister. For how long the place broke, we all know. All know, sister. No big truck, no big vehicle can pass, only motor vehicle. Only car can pass it.
Mm-hmm.
So me not understand the story. But your sister, Lincoln there I know what and bad here.
Mm-hmm.
Your sister, me hear you talk to Miss Mala who fought this morning. I wish yes Miss Mala who fought about win.
A lot. All when she got privy council.
You ain't win the next case, sister.
No.
Hey.
Never win the next. But if you check her record as Attorney General when she got Privy Council.
Attorney General?
When she was... That is it. All of the Privy Council, whole heap of Privy Council case me used to read where she go there and she win them.
All right, sister. Let me ask you this one question and I don't go let you.
Yes.
Sister, the gentleman here what make the storm come here? Was saying guilty now. A 5 year in don't get sister? Because he's saying guilty.
Who?
You know right, you know, sister.
Who?
Not Julian.
Which Julian?
Not the man Sylvan, how I want him. What is your wife? Julian Sylvan, how I him.
You ask how much.
The law for sister. If so the we only hear the justice man say I know, say yes, in Turkey. That means that the man now got time on time a prison sister the kind of big shot.
No, I don't know about that. I'm gonna be talking about the sentences and how much it can be reduced.
The man must get 25 year hard labor. Hard labor. Because Mark Golding went compound when he
take out Mark Golding name out right. Mark Golding no business in this no.
Then sister when they said the lady find 9 sleep, you know come out and say yes. In the same condolence to the man can wife dead in 9 sleep.
Yeah, but who wouldn't do that? It's okay. It's okay to this don't have nothing to do with Mark Golding.
No,
but we
nothing
will
to do with him.
Yes, go and enjoy the couple minutes with Lincoln and see if you can get some nice cool breeze.
Cool breeze
off of him. Off of Mr. Lincoln. Him have ice in his body.
Ice in a full body. When we go over Clinton for me now look no man sister. What can I tell that? What can I tell my husband me want?
Me eh?
And your husband me want that fine boy.
I want the mackerel. Mackerel.
What's mackerel?
Me not talk to mackerel, but
somebody tell me say if your head red like a foxtail. Or you mean to cut off your long hair in your ear and your back? Pretty girl like you cut off your ear. What kind of where you play? You're young? You're big man, you know. You mean to cut off your ear? And dye up here like you're a young girl. What kind of story that is?
Me and you in the same category. Okay, ma'am.
You go back up with long hair if you still look good.
All right.
They put a wig for your colleague they got long hair already.
You think you alone can be Dolly? Hello. Me no care. You have Kim Kardashian in a parliament. Me is Kim Kar Flashy. Hello. When you say me no put on no wig?
Hey, you don't put on no wig, go natural, because you're natural beauty.
All right,
you
ma.
Empress.
Empress.
Hey.
Highly blessed.
You see a crown here.
Highly.
Hey, that's all.
All right. Yes, thank you, Mr. Lincoln. Have a great day.
Thank you very much, Lincoln. Big up yourself. They are foreign, you know. Hey.
Lord God.
Girl good.
Kentucky.
Girl just great.
Kentucky reach you without the fried chicken.
Me no want no fried chicken. Me need fried chicken.
Okay. One way you have in the bag, by the way.
After the bag, they no come. You just say heavy rain, they fall. Up on your side, me live, you know.
Oh.
Hey. You have to walk through one truck for water, they run, you know.
Mm-hmm. All right, ma.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care, though.
Mm-hmm. Thank God for people them. God, what if you do? What if you do with the people that will give me? Hi, God. How many years you gonna put on red head? I mean, him Kim Kar Flashy. Me say, me I see them put up news say she is considering dating the fast car guy, Lewis Hamilton. How this news me not understand. Them considering dating Kim Kardashian. All them something will be every minute you see a sort of rubbish coming across that you need to pause and read. Eh? But Miss Lucy said me no. But that way they Kim Car Flashy business. Giovanni. Pierre Dolly I walk around. Why me can't be Dolly too? No understand. Everybody there road now with Coca-Cola buckle shape. Once upon a time when me grew up, 1 in 1,000 people have Coca-Cola buckle shape. Now everybody I just the Coca-Cola buckle shape I eat around the place. Now run a place. Eh? So why me can't put on redhead, Miss Lucy? Why you have to call and tell me not to do that? After all, them all one taxi man send message to me, you know. One taxi man say, they'll have to put back. Do back her here where she used to do it, where she make the side come round so. And the person give me the message. I had to laugh. They think they own me. I'm up for the break. This is Hotline.